part of the testing process involves some destructive testing of some of the asphalt samples. And the way we do that is to use what's called a test press. And we put the sample in there, and the pressures are all recorded on a chart. Again, that are available to IDOT, and we will.
Show you this.
Yes, yeah, that's the chart, and it has stability and flow, and it will show in pounds of pressure. And we'll go ahead and crush this sample, and this type of this type of destructive testing occurs in asphalt, but in concrete they do the same thing. Okay, so this is yeah.
So it's splitting kind of.
It is, and it shows that the strength of this, and then obviously it reached its peak and it started falling off.
So this is a tensile strength actually.
Yes, it's tensile strength. That is correct. Yeah.
Do you have any tests for compressive strength?
We don't here. The machine that
because people usually think of pressure of the cars this way,
yes,
but it creates tension.
Just a minute. Let me see if do we have that big sample? Can you get that? The type of test that you're talking about is very, very expensive. The machine to do that probably costs close to $300,000. The state of Illinois has those machines. Most contractors do not. Here's an example of the type of core. Now, in this particular instance, we cut this right out of the pavement, and you can see this wheel that has gone back and forth to see how much rutting or how much of a depression might occur in this sample. This was taken out of Interstate 70
so
down.
This is a real core sample.
This is a real core taken out of Interstate 70 down in the Martinsville area, and this particular test was done by a laboratory in Indiana, but this would represent thousands and thousands and thousands of trucks, heavy trucks, 80,000-pound trucks going over it, and this may represent 10 or 15 years. It's I don't know exactly, but this type of testing is done, but it's normally not done by the contractor.
Now, if this takes 15 years to do this kind of damage, why is it in Illinois or in other states you have more abrasive, more work in the highways, more damage to the highways than this? I mean, 3-5 years you have to redo things.
It depends entirely on what the governmental agency expects. The harder the asphalt, the more oxidation you're going to have, and the more raveling you're going to have. The softer the asphalt, like you would put in a parking lot, the longer it will, resist cracking, but it will not resist running. It's in both concrete and asphalt. It depends what you want. You can make very, very stiff concrete, but it tends to break quickly. You can make concrete that has fibers in it, but you have other problems with that. Yeah, and asphalt is the same way. So the governmental agency will specify what they want in particular areas. I think we'll see more use of exotic types of asphalt in the future? In other words, around intersections and those types of things?